Okay, guys, it is black right here because, yes, I had to put some fire up under that baby. It did not want to come loose, but guess what? It's a loose now.
Shalom, Shalom, Grand Rising. Yes, fam, Health District Ritual Sister is back and very excited to announce our third season, newest series of For Your Consciousness, Weight Preparedness Awareness videos, publication of F.Y.C. Channel Network. Welcome back, invaluable champions, and salutations to all newcomers.
Hey fam, today's scripture reading comes from the KJV, Book of Matthew. We're going to Matthew 21:22. And all things whatsoever ye ask in prayer, believing ye shall receive. Hallelujah. Hey fam, thanks for tuning in for the installation of my kitchen faucet with the pull down sprayer. It is a stainless steel oil rub bronze faucet. So let's take a look, guys. Okay, so this is my welcome packet right here. And this is them telling me that I have a lifetime warranty. All right. And this is the faucet itself. It looks so wonderful. It is oil rub bronze. And it's going to look even better in my kitchen sink. Sure is. Okay, so just give me a minute, guys, till I get ready to go up under the sink and unscrew all the connections. Yes, your girl is about that life. Please give me a minute. Okay, before I get up under the sink and I disconnect anything, I wanted to show you guys the old faucet. I am so grateful and so thankful to have had it. It have done its job and outlived its life, and now it's just time for retirement. Here are the tools that I will be using to complete the water disconnect lines from the faucet itself. There are 2 wrenches at the top. There is an adjustable wrench to the far right, and there are 2 pliers to the left. Okay guys, as you see, I just used the wrench to disconnect the water connectors, the hot water and the cold water connector, and I just pulled them up like so, and they just came right on up. It was just like nothing to it. Very simplistic. Okay guys, this is a whole different set of tools from when I first began with the pliers and the wrenches. When I got to the fastening for the water connector and the faucet itself, it wanted to play hard, like it didn't want to come down or whatever. So you know what I did? I did what I always do. I improvised. I got some needle nose pliers, a steak knife, that's right, a steak knife, a lighter, and a flat-headed screwdriver. And guess what? I went to work and I got that baby off. You do not mess with LaLa. Okay guys, it is black right here because, yes, I had to put some fire up under that baby. It did not want to come loose, but guess what? It's a loose now. Let's see if I did everything right, guys. Look at my hands. Look at my fingers. Oh, I was a hard-working woman, right? So let's see if I made it happen like a captain, right? Let's see here. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. I made it happen like a captain, for real, babies. Okay, so now I am ready to complete the installation with the brand new faucet. Okay, guys, just giving it a little clean right here because, yes, it was super dirty. And guess what? Dishwashing detergent, bleach, and water goes a long way. So I am going to continue to finish getting all this gook and guck off of here and be right back with you guys. So for my last and very final part to the installation, which is the faucet itself, the tools that I will need will be a Phillips screwdriver and my wrenches.
Oh yeah, yeah, back up off me. You don't know me, I'm too clean, I'm too holy. My godly, I only go for
Oh, I most definitely believe that this was the hardest part. So I had to pull all the hoses back through the rubber and the metal washer, which was, again, very tedious. But this black set right here, yes, I did that. And am I proud of it? No, but guess what? It's a battle wound. So, okay, stay tuned. It's the last and final piece to the installation. This right here is a weight, and it will go on the weighted hose.
Waiting on me at the door. I said, woo. Yeah, that on the floor. Used to this shit skating 69 in that 4. We got glow sticks for you. You chicks just don't act like you don't know this. I'm very anti-social. Social network ain't my motion. I show no emotions. Nigga, this is disgusting. But she's just a girl and she's on fire. Hotter than a fantasy. Running like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire. Filled with catastrophe. But she knows she can fly away. Oh, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh, this girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire.
Hey fam, thank you guys for tuning in to the stainless steel oil rub bronze FORIOUS Faucet installation. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update regarding the steak knife. It's being retired into the no return to silverware ever box, and it will be now used for a household tool item. If you guys thought that was something I did with the steak knife hung off that plastic washer, just wait and see what I could do with some duct tape. Anyway guys, and as always fam, remember to stay encouraged in faith and prayer. Until we meet again, have a wonderful, blessed day. I love you all and take care. Bye.
Oh, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh, this girl is on fire. This girl is on fire.
I'm puffing on this gas, I got a hit. My weed so loud, I nicknamed it Tasha Smith. They kicked me out the bank, cause I smell like dank. I get high and fly, I don't need to drive and drink. Gelato got me floating with the beady eyes. My pupils looking tighter than Genie Mize. I'm on this reefer, ooh, we should order pizza, yeah. Turn me up a notch, I'm high. Turn me up a notch, I'm high. Turn me up a notch, I'm high. Nigga, I'm kicking off Colombia, aborted from Colombia. Not the country, but the district capital America. Pull up in the skirt. How about with the yeah? Hit you with the flocka, till you ooh, I disrespect your house. I'm jumping on your furniture, fuck your couch. I can't feel my face, I'm snorting a lot of bam. When that drip hit my throat, it turned me into Macho Man. Well, yeah, freak out, woo!
Yeah, I'm a double cup, promethazine fiend. I even pour lean inside my green beans. Purple drink in my Sprite, coating, feeling nice. Whipping on the wood grain car, leaning to the RP to DJ Screw. I'm drinking on the Sprite still. My blood type is NyQuil. You see me grabbing ice, better mind your business. What's my favorite beverage? It's a cup of Grimace.
I wanna rock right now. I love bass and I want me a pound. I got things I can sell you for cheap. Look at this transmission I found. I sell it to you for $12 and I'll throw in a Betamax. I don't know what Whitney was saying. Crack is cheap, but it ain't not whack. When I'm on the dope cut and I'm strolling, trying to see who got me with smoking. 12 o'clock they put out them testers. I came back when the store was open. My girlfriend was a prime fiend. Got no teeth and not that good looking. This is what they call the people's drug, cause you can smell what the rock is cooking. Ooh. Hold on, wait. I'm not as thick as you drunk I am. And I don't even care if you say I care. Cause you don't even care about me for real. And I know that's how you feel. So go to hell. Cause you don't even understand, man. I love you, man. Cause you the realest one I know. Why is we beefing? We supposed to be bros. Okay, I'm up. All I need is my caffeine. Hit Starbucks for a mocha latte. Look at my watch, it's 9:15. Drive to my office before court. Turn to my TPS reports. Go to the courthouse, pay my ticket, then back to work to help support. After work, I'm hitting the gym. After gym, I pick up my kids, do their homework, watch some Disney, give them a bath and put them to bed. Don't need dinner, just need my coffee, need my beans and need my money. Can't believe I did all that. I look at my watch and it's 9:20. Ain't no way I just did all that in 5 minutes. But wait a minute, whose kids did I pick up? Yo, I just took some acid. And I hope it's not a bad trip. It's like everything's connected, made from the same. It's just something I can feel, but I can't explain. The textures in this dimension is so neat. I'ma change my rap name to Run DMT. Cause I'm psychedelic, vibing, write 1,000 albums. I play guitar like a god off the psilocybin. Yeah, I just dropped a Molly in my Hennessy. She getting naked off this methamphetamine. Popping these designer drugs and I'm on that loud. This shit got my heart beating, racing no allows. And the maniac's on my pill and I love that. Now I'm out here rolling like a hubcap. You want a pill? Yes I will. Na 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 na. I just popped a Batman. Na 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 na. I need a pound of sugar in my sweet tea. I like to call it ice diabetes. Candies, cookies, pies, yogurt pudding cakes. I crumble up Kit Kats in my milkshakes. Little Debbie, Big Deborah in my kitchen cabinet. Chocolate covered Luther burgers, I just gotta have it. You better put respect on my sweet tooth. I kicked her out in traffic when she told me eat fruit. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. New videos drop Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 4 p.m. Eastern. And we do independent artist music reviews Monday through Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern. And if you like this beat, click below to download it.
In today's chaotic world, it is imperative that we remain spiritually grounded and sound-minded. By understanding everything we do, every day we live, we are at war from within the spiritual realm to Earth's physical plane. The first casualty of war is your mind. Protect it at all times. Be careful what you put in and on your body and what you allow yourself to see, hear, and do. Fail. Question everything. Listen, guys, curiosity never killed the cat. The element of surprise did. Okay? Don't get caught sleeping, or should I say slipping.
Once more, thank you for your support in being a part of FYC channel audience. FYC, For Your Consciousness, brought to you today. For Your Consciousness Awake series is in publication of FYC Education Entertainment Resource Channel. In closing, always remember in all we do to operate in faith and not out of fear.
Skinhead, deadhead, everybody gone bad. Situation, aggravation, everybody allegation. In the suit, on the news, everybody dog. Bang, bang, shot dead, everybody's gone bad. All I wanna say is that they don't really care about us. All I wanna say is that they don't really care about us. Beat me, hate me, you can never break me. Will me, thrill me, you can never kill me. Chew me, sue me, everybody do me. Kick me, kite me, don't you black and white me. All I wanna say is that they don't really care about us. All I wanna say is that they don't really care about us. Tell me what has become of my life. I have a wife and 2 children who love me. I am the victim of police brutality.
Please, wake up.
Cabin to fulfill this prophecy. Said